What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get paint out of your clothes. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to this one. So it happens to the best of us. You swear you're not going to get paint on your clothes when you're doing it, but you end up doing it. All you're going to need is some rubbing alcohol. The one that has the most alcohol is the best. This one's 91%. And we got a little laundry soap. We're going to go ahead and just put the laundry soap right on the paint stains. Rub it in, then you're going to get a scrub brush. You can use an old toothbrush. It's going to need stiff bristles. We'll just work that soap in. Went ahead and put some alcohol in this spray container. We're just going to put a bunch of it all over the paint now. Don't be chintzy with it now. This is what's going to do most of the work. Take our scrub brush, pull the fabric tight. Just go to town. Need more than that. And if you're worried that this is going to stain or damage your fabric, go ahead and do it on a very small piece, maybe at the bottom somewhere where you don't see it. There we go. As it comes up, go ahead and just dab it with a cloth. Try and soak up that paint. A little water too won't hurt. Once it starts lifting it up, bring out the big guns. See how good it works on jeans. A little soap down and our alcohol. Oh yeah, it's coming off easier than the shirt. There we go. It's about a minute on that. These little spots right here are really old. Yeah, over a year, probably a couple years old on this shirt, on my work shirt. Look at that. Just with the rubbing alcohol, my fingernail, it's coming right off. Now after you're done scrubbing, you get it all as good as you can, go ahead and throw these in the wash because the soap will have softened up some of that paint. So I went ahead and put it in the wash right after we were done scrubbing, and that definitely helped. Pretty much all the paint of the area we were working on is gone. That's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself and stay clean.